Today we are going to see a presentation on VERILOG register data types. Register data type. VERILOG supports register data types such as register, which is most widely used, integer, which is used for looping counting, a real used to store floating point numbers, and time keeps track of simulation time. A register represents the storage of elements or data. It is actually a variable which holds any value. It is commonly declared by the keyword reg. The default value of reg data type is X. Register represents a class of data types such as reg, integer, real time, etc. So here an example for register data types. Here we can see like reg count and single bit register variable. Here reg 720 bus, that is 8-bit bus. So this is the code for the register data type. It's just an example. So okay, now integer data type. So integer data type is a general purpose register data types. So it is denoted by the keyword integer. So this stores the value as assigned quantities, for example 0, 4, minus 17, minus 148, 57. So it is also whole numbers. Generally it is used for counting purpose. It is actually synthesizes in the nature. The default value, as we know, is X. The width is 32 bits. This is the example for the integer data type. So now we are going to see about real data type. So it is declared by the keyword real. It allows the decimal and scientific notation. For example, minus 0.3, which from like it is for the floating type, right? So we can use every point numbers, like some decimal numbers. So 0.3, 4.63. It can either positive nor negative. Okay, so etc etc. So it is not synthesizable to nature, and its default value is 0.0, and round off to the nearest integer when it is assigned to an integer. This is a very important key to note. So for example, real data type, they have given two examples, which is the individual example for real data type, and the other one is the accordance to integer example for the real data type. Now we are going to see time and data type. So a special time register data type is used to store the simulation time. Simulation time is the process time of the code. So it is declared by the keyword time. It is unsigned in nature. The width is implementation. It is specific, but it is at least 64 bits. So it is not synthesizable to nature. That is useful for test bench, and its default value is X. So this is the example for time data type. Thank you.